Okay, CAD, CHF, I really like this play. I drew this little wedge formation. You can see it even better on the daily chart. Let me get to that. Anyways, a little wedge situation going on here. And this horizontal level kind of holding tight. It's right in here. When I draw key levels, I mean it's like a zone. It's a general area. It doesn't have to be exactly spot on. But yeah, we saw a big reaction here. Kind of saw this one coming a mile away. And we drop here. And I think that we're going to actually take this lower. I'm going to hold on to this situation. It's a big bar. Big bars don't make me want to get out. Big bars let me know that we're correcting and maybe changing tide. But usually when I enter things, it's off of a small bar. Big bars don't make me get out, and that's what's going on here. It's a couple big bars. I'm going to wait for it to react to these 200 and this 50 or blow through it, and if it does, that's fine. We'll probably get out in here, but I'm definitely staying in this. I will risk 1% to try to see where this goes. I think that we're going to drop off the face of the earth here. There was an NZD JPY play I did a couple weeks ago where it was kind of a similar setup where we had went from being kind of erratic to kind of compressing and then dropping off, and I love seeing that. This is kind of a sign of a small bar and me playing off of a small bar on a higher time frame. You see how the bars got smaller right in here, and they've just gotten smaller in general until you drop in. So I'm looking for that to drop off the face of the earth. I'm gonna really be watching this and comboing as it goes down. I think that profit target wise, we probably drop down to this key level ish, and that's far. So we're already at 5%. That's another probably 15%. Let's just look at it real quick. That's fine. If I dropped all the way down here, we're at 13 and a quarter. It's crazy. Crazy. Anyways, so I love that, and I love that play. It's kind of part of my vocabulary nowadays is to take stuff like that short, even though it's not a pivot entry. It's just a new strategy. I got to name it. I got to come up with exact answers on that. Anyways, so we had an opportunity to take this long. For some reason, I had my stop loss way up here, so I was tripping, and I paid for it. So I lost this, and I could have won it and taken it higher. That's exactly what I should be doing. I should be actually in this trade right now. But instead, based on what I observed and how I set up my stop loss incorrectly, my risk management, I actually had to suffer a hypothetical loss here because this tail candle went through that area. Even though this is a reversal candle and it's just a long tail, the body told you the story that it's actually going higher. And that's just what happens, man. It's kind of tag you're it type of thing. I got tagged, and that would have stopped me out. Yeah, but we saw the play. The play is right there. It's very easy to see that we're above 50 EMA. We just today we broke through this 200 EMA. I think that 618 is the next goal. So that's a 6% play, if you can see that. I don't know if you can or not, but yeah, almost 7%. Crazy. CHF JPY, this is beautiful pullback. I did not see it. Again, I was looking at the chart around 4 o'clock, so this was kind of forming up. But yeah, this is a beautiful little pullback and then bounce off of that level. As far as really being able to see this, it was a hard one because we were battling with the 50 EMA for days. But we broke through it. We finally broke through that 50 EMA. We were already above the, that could have been a sign actually. We were above the 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So maybe that could have really, I should have took that as a sign that we're about to go higher. And then we have this beautiful entry to take that higher. So we saw it. We didn't take it though. Didn't get in this one, which is fine. There's levels to it, man. There's levels to it. Take that to there. It's a 5% play, almost, not quite. Wishful thinking. So I would say, hey, little cat. Give me a second. Okay, so this looks like, let me see here, man. Make sure that I got this all. We'll say right here is a decent profit target, and I'll stop. 7% on this play. Foreseeable type of thing. It's crazy, man. The money's out there. It's just getting that skill and being able to predict the moves. I don't see anything on AUD, USD. I like this. This is beautiful. Glad that this happened, but I would have had to be in position here to take this lower. MACD's definitely telling us what to do. Pay attention to that. We're reacting to this 50 EMA. We're already overextended, so I probably wouldn't have took that because where we're at overall, fib, we're way down here. So to see this and take this, you're just on a whole different level of being in tune with the pair and how that pair reacts. But this is how you do it, man. This is the analysis is what makes you familiar with the pairs and able to specialize. If for me, I'm weak with AUD, I'm weak with Euro pairs. I make a lot of money with USD and GBP and NZD. Those are my favorites. So if you're, wanting to just focus on AUD and get really good at it, and do it and help me, shit. That's kind of how this goes. This is beautiful, little play. I don't see that as a pullback, but like there's definitely some confluence here. You see the 50 MA dropping in. You see it's 618 level, and you also see the pivot line right here. So you take this short and you make money. I don't know what else to say there. Yeah, you take this short and you make money. And I actually pointed down on this twice, so maybe I should have took this. Maybe I was tripping. Maybe I missed it. Okay, that's why I didn't take it. Our 50 EMA is right here in the way. So you take this and then you come up against this gate, this barrier to profit, if you will. But the profit target's down here, where previous low would be like right in here. So let's draw that in. I like actually taking and timing the trades off the lower time frame, so our time frame. Infinite Prosperity is going to teach you the 5-minute or the 15-minute chart or whatever. I never really got good at that, so I didn't use it. And they talk about that. They talk about modifying the style as you get comfortable and all that good stuff. But I strongly encourage people to take the Infinite Prosperity course. And big shout out to Irek Piekarski. He was doing Live Trader back in the day, and that thing was crazy dope. He really got good at explaining how to observe the charts and make predictions and things. So anyways, on this trade, we're looking at like a 4% profit target. But again, it's a difficult one because you got to break through this 50 EMA. AUD CHF, kind of a similar situation. Not as juicy of a trade, doesn't look like right now. Well, maybe right in here. MACD is doing what it should do. Maybe a short looks like this. But this is the cornerstone, man. Screw all that like scalping and using over leveraged account and trying to find like a way to get started and making money immediately. Instead of that, learn a skill. Get good. Get good. One of my favorite rappers, Currency, says you trying to 360 up the middle, you don't even know how to dribble. And there's so many people, myself included, who fall victim to that. You hear about trading and you just want to make money from it. That's all you want to do. That's not the game, though. The game is to get good. Once you're good at analyzing the charts, you can get good at entering your trades. Once you're good at entering your trades, you can get good at risk managing your trades. And you're good at risk managing and entering your trades and analyzing the chart. Now you can pick profit targets well, you know, and you stack these skills, and eventually this trading shit is easy because you actually have the skills that you've honed, and things are predictable for you. And you're not hunting for just everything used to look like a hammer for me, man, until I actually got good at where am I? Okay, there we go. Until I actually got good at analyzing the charts, man. Once I got good at analyzing charts, I was like, oh, this is easy. I'm going to take trades as they come. I don't have to force anything. But yeah, this play looks like that. AUD, CHF. I'm talking a lot, sorry. CAD. I already wrote this one in. Didn't I? Or did I not? This is from way back. I don't know if I got... I don't know if I got another one. Did I ever close this out, or was this just like running? Yeah, this is a running profit from the 5th. Damn. It's still going. So I got into this trade on the 5th off of the 618 fib, and we're just here. I'm waiting. It's not a big play though, because my stop loss is huge. Well, whatever. Still waiting for this to drop down to baseline. This is pretty much where we're at. This is a trade again. Where else is a trade? Maybe here, but probably not. But yeah, this is a trade. It's just crazy, man. You see all the trades and then you take the trades, but first you need to see them. First you need to really be able to say, all right, this is like blatantly obvious that I can make money here. And when you don't make money there, did you make a good trade? Did you analyze the charts correctly? It's not about winning. Anybody can win at trading. It's, can you do it consistently? Can you be right consistently? Do you have a reason why you're right? Can you extract that principle? Word to Ray Dalio, right? AUD, NZD, overextended. I'm not doing anything here. Not right now. Look where we're at. Fibs way down here. We're way down here. I'm going to look for an opportunity to go long, but right now we're sideways as hell. Look at these bars. All those sideways. Nope. I'm not trading it. Because it's not in my predictability. I can't predict that, so I'm not doing anything with it. Anyways, I'm gone. That's it, man. Y'all hit me up. Hit my comment section. Let me know anything you have a question on. Music okay, music distracting, I don't know. You let me know. I like to trade with music. This is me being me and doing my thing. Anyways, thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. Peace.